Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri, and in this video I'll talk to you guys about one of the latest website which is all about doing surveys and not only answering basic questions, you can even play games or do some quick surveys in order to make money online. And you have different sections in this website. That's why I plan to go with this one. I would prefer this particular website even more when compared to other survey websites because they were limited when it came to different surveys. The best part about this website is you have n number of categories. You can do surveys in different parts. So without any further ado, let's talk about this website. So this website is called getpaidto.com. I'll give you the link in the description below. And if you haven't checked out my previous video about different survey websites, go ahead and check it out from the description. So let's get started with this particular website. When you land here, you'll see now why I chose this website, because you have different categories here. You can either do surveys, you can play games, you can even make some quick points, or you have different offers available on different websites. So these are some of the basic perks you get by accessing getpaidto.com. And how does it work? You have to complete simple tasks, and here are the rules. For each 5,000 points you will be awarded with $1, and then you can check out in your bank or different cards, or even you can use PayPal. So here are some basic games you can see that you can play in order to increase your survey points. Here are some cash out options. They have different options, like you don't need to have only PayPal in order to cash out. You can even cash out using Skrill, which is for debit cards, or you can directly transfer in your bank account. So it's pretty easy to cash out here. And further, we'll get started with this. Click on join free today. And once you're here, give your basic details. Choose a password for you. Go ahead and fill out all these details correctly. And you can even check this option to hear from them, their latest opportunities and all. Agree to the terms and condition. Click. You'll get an email from them. Simply log into your Gmail account and click on complete registration. And once you have clicked on that, your account is created. And have a look at quick points. These are some basic and quick surveys that you can carry on. You can even get 1625 points like in 12 minutes. They have promised it. And you can download different apps for them, or you can play different games. Even you get paid to watch YouTube videos. So that's the best part about this website. You can carry out simple surveys like basic question answering and watching ads for them. So this is how it works. This is pretty easy to get started with, because not only different surveys you also get options like quick points. In 10 minutes you can get like 1600 points. So that's pretty huge. And once you have completed different surveys and you qualify to earn dollars, you can simply click on cash out, and here you can withdraw. You have different options. You don't need to worry about payment method. For each 5,000 points you can withdraw $1. So for registration you get like 200 points, and you have different surveys here. Go ahead and explore this website for yourself, and make sure you check out all the different options, different ads, different games they have to offer. And even you can watch videos for them and you can get paid in that way, or you can earn points. You have different weekly contests as well. Click on weekly quick points, and once you're here you can click on these different methods or websites in order to earn weekly points as well. So all I'm saying is they have tons of different methods or ways in order to get started using different surveys. You're not like dependent only upon answering questions. You have different methods as well, like you can play games for them, you can watch videos for them. So that was get paid to. It is one of the easiest way to get started doing surveys. It won't take long like in other websites it does. You can like get make $10 easily in a week, even if you spare like half an hour a day. So this is get paid to for you. The categories are really huge. Look at the points, 440 points for installing a simple app and sign up. Have different offers, and these offers are really easy to carry out. So go ahead and explore this website by yourself, and you will come out to know different ways and different options on this website. So it's pretty easy to get started on Get Paid To. And also there's a plus point for using this website because in other server websites you get survey based on your country. Like if you're in USA, there are chances that you'll get more surveys, but on this website you'll get like same number of surveys irrespective of your country. So you don't need to worry about in which city or country you're located in. It's pretty much same for all the countries. So go ahead and get started on this because you'll get tons of different surveys and they are easy to perform. Like even you can get started by installing different apps and get points for that. So that was one of the easiest earning method so far I've shown. So go ahead and check out this website. So that was it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell icon in order to get notified for my next video.